What's up, guys? And take a look behind us. You can tell we're working on a little bit today. Come on, check it out. If you're a do-it-yourself kind of guy, kind of like we are, trying to save a buck where we can, we don't want to tote these 40s around and take them to a tire store, pay somebody, I don't know, $80 to $100 to try to pull these off. If you're kind of like me, this right here is just a manual tire bead. One of those right here will save your back so much. They break the beads right open. I mean, I love one. A Harbor Freight. This is not. All right. Get your little fancy tool here. Rubber mallet's all you need. Nothing fancy. Sometimes you need a bigger one, but I don't like messing up the paint, causing it to rust. It's got a little point. Go ahead and shove that off in there. Preferably not where the valve stem is. Bead right on up. I mean, you have no issues with it like this. Worked pretty good, I'd say. Saves a lot of work. I've seen loggers do it with the swinging thing, the swinging bead breaker. All right, you got the bead open. You can just walk the tire down now, just like that. Yep, now pins right back on up into place. Sometimes. So we got them all decently. Yeah, don't worry about that little guy. We got them decently straight enough. So they're all pretty straight. That one's got a little crook in it. And we got the tires off, as you can see. We dropped the wheels off to somebody to go ahead and just get the rings welded in. And I think we messed up. Hopefully we didn't just ruin our DIY project here. Let's show you what it did. All right, as you can see, we got the rings welded in, but anybody who's put these in before, this ring has these tabs that are supposed to be bent up before. The shop I took it to didn't quite bend the rings up, or bend those tabs up, so let's hope it didn't mess the wheels up. I'm gonna go ahead and bend them up, weld them up, and let's hope it didn't do any coning. Everything lines up, so we're gonna move forward. But for anybody that says you can't do this at home, look at this. We got a small grinder, mini welder. I mean, it's not the prettiest weld you've ever seen in the world. All right, a little bit of love, a whole lot of grinding, You can fix someone else messes up your beadlocks here. So I'm not gonna say they're absolutely perfect, but I mean, I think we can mount some wheels to those. Let's get them finished up here. They're looking good. They're looking real good. So we started off with our 4 bolts. Our kit came with, dog found something to bark at. Our kit came with 4 starter bolts that are longer than everything else, and you throw those in on all 4 corners, get your bolts started on them, it'll suck it up tight, and then you can run them all the way around like we did here with your grade 8 bolts, washers, nuts, all on the bottom backside, all the way. I'm gonna skip the boring part for y'all again and skip right through all these bolts here so we get to torquing. We'll see you again soon.